Dear students, welcome back to the online classes. We are learning the class 8 unit algebraic expressions and identities. In the previous videos, we have learned about the concept of algebraic expressions, that is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, multiplication and division of algebraic expression, then multiplication of monomial by a monomial, monomial by a binomial, trinomial and polynomial, then multiplication of polynomial by a polynomial. Now in this video we learn about an important and basic concept about identities. We learn about identities. Now we have a question: what is identity? Now consider an equality a plus 1 into a plus 2, which can be written as what? A plus 1 into a plus 2 is what? A square plus 3a plus 2. A plus 1 into a plus 2 equals, it is just a binomial multiplication, we get a square plus 3a plus 2. Now what is the equality here? A plus 1 into a plus 2 equals a square plus 3a plus 2. This is an equality. Now we will try to evaluate this equality for some value of a. Take any value of a, then try to substitute in this equality, then check whether this LHS, that is left hand side and right hand side, are equal. Now a plus 1 into a plus 2 is what? LHS. Then a square plus 3a plus 2 is RHS. Now say I will take a as 5. Consider value a as 5. Now substitute in the part LHS. Substitute the value of a in LHS. What we get is 5 plus 1 into 5 plus 2. What we get is 5 plus 1 is 6 into 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 6 sevens are 42. We got the LHS as 42. Now RHS. In RHS, substitute the same value, a equals 5. Now we get, that is a square is 5 square plus 3 times a is what? 5 plus 2. Now what is 5 square? 5 into 5 is 25. 3 5s are 15 plus 2. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. For the value a equals 5, LHS is equal to RHS. In the same way, try to substitute different values of a. The LHS and RHS part will be same. For any value of a, this LHS and RHS will be same. Take one more value of a equals 0. Now what is LHS now? 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2. 0 plus 1 is 1 into 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 2s are 2. Now substitute in the RHS, that is 0 square plus 3 times 0 plus 2. 0 square is 0, 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. Now for a equals 0, LHS equals 2, RHS equals 2. Now we can say that for any value of A, LHS and RHS is same. This kind of equality we call that as identity. What is identity? What is identity? For every value of the variable in it. Here it is A. For every value of the variable in an equality where LHS and RHS is equal, we call that as identity. What is identity? Identity is an equality. What is identity? Identity is an equality where it is true for every value of variable in it. Is called as identity. That is, if you substitute the value, any value of variable in it, that means LHS and RHS will be equal. Such equality we call that as identity. What is identity? Identity is an equality true for every value of the variable in it is called an identity. Now this is an identity because for any value of A, LHS will be equal to RHS. Hopefully you have understood the concept of identity, which is very important concept in mathematics. What is identity? Identity is an equality which is true for every value of variable in it. Is called as identity. Students, we have learned the concept of identity. Now we will see what is an equation. What is an equation? An equation is true for only certain values of the variable in it. Is called as equation. What is equation? An equation is true for only certain values of variable in it, whereas identity is true for any values of variable in it, but an equation is true only for certain values of variable in it. We call that as equation. Example, a square plus 3a plus 2. Now, which is equal to what? Consider a square plus 3a plus 2, which is equal to 132. Now, if we substitute a equals 10, that is a square, that is 10 square plus 3 times 10, that is 30 plus 2, we get 132. Now, if we substitute a equals 0, 0 square plus 0 into 3 plus 2, LHS and RHS will not be equal, where an equation is true only for certain values of the variable. That is, if you put a equals 10, that means LHS and RHS will be equal. If I put a equals 0, LHS and RHS will not be equal. LHS will not be equal to RHS. These kind of equation, this is called as equation. These type of expressions are called as an equation. An equation is true for only certain values of variable in it. Example, a square plus 3a plus 2 equals 132. Now you have understood what is the difference between an identity and an equation. An identity is true for every value of variable in it, whereas an equation is true for only certain values of variable in it. Hopefully you have understood the identity and an equation. Now we'll study about the standard identities which we use regularly in mathematics. The standard identity, that is the first standard identity, is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. This is the first standard identity. A plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second standard identity is a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. The second standard identity is a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third standard identity is a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. These are the three standard identities which we are going to use in mathematics regularly, which will be very useful. Now the first standard identity is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second standard identity, a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third standard identity, a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. These are the three standard identities which we are going to use. Now we have understood the concept of identity. For any value of a and b, LHS and RHS will be equal. These are the three standard identities. Now we will find out one more useful identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. Now what you do, multiply the first term of the first binomial term with the second binomial term, that is x into x plus b. Then multiply a with the binomial term x plus b. What you get? A into x plus b. Now what you get? X into x, x square plus x into b, x b. Now a into x is ax, or x into a plus a into b is ab. Now rearranging the terms, x square plus, now what is common here? X and x is common. If you take x, what is the remaining? B plus a or a plus b times x plus ab. This is another useful identity. X plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. Students, we have learnt the standard identities. Now we will try to apply these identities on few problems. Now consider the first problem, 2x plus 3y whole square. Now if you observe, it is of the form a plus b whole square. It is of the form first identity a plus b whole square. Now what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in the place of a, I have 2x. In the place of b, I have 3y. Therefore, a equals 2x, b equals 3y. Now, what is the identity? A plus b whole square equals a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. Now, substitute the value of a as 2x and b as 3y. We get 2x plus 3y whole square equals, what is a square? 2x whole square plus 2 times a is 2x into b is what? 3y plus what is b square? That is 3y whole square. A plus b whole square equals a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. In place of a, I have 2x. In place of b, I have 3y. Now, square the individual terms. That is, 2 square is 4. Then x square is, as it is x square. Now, multiply the coefficient. That is 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 times. X into y is xy. Now, 3 square is 9. Y into y, that is y square, as it is. Therefore, 2x plus 3y whole square equals 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. This is an application of the first identity. Now we will try to solve few more problems. Consider example 2. X plus 3 into x plus 3, which can be write as what? Which can be written as x plus 3 whole square. X plus 3 into x plus 3 can be written as x plus 3 whole square. Now it is of the form identity 1. In place of a, I have x. In place of b, I have 3. Therefore, a equals x, b equals 3. What is identity? A plus b whole square. A equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in place of a, write as x. In place of b, write as 3. Now what we get is x plus 3 whole square equals x square plus 2 times a is what? X. B is 3 plus 3 square. Now what we get is x square plus 2 3 is 6 times x plus 3 square is 9. This is the answer. Third question, 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5, which can be written as 2y plus 5 whole square, which is of the form identity 1. In place of a, that is 2y. In place of b, I have 5. Now I write the identity 1, that is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in place of a, write as 2y. In place of b, write 5. Now what we get is 2y plus 5 whole square equals 2y whole square plus 2 times a is 2y into b is 5 plus b square is 5 square. Now 2y whole square is 2 square is 4 y square plus multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 y plus 5 square is 25. 2y plus 5 whole square equals 4y square plus 20y plus 25. These are the few problems based on the identity 1. Now we will try the another application of the identity 2. Students, first question, 4p minus 3q whole square. This is of the form what? A minus b whole square. In place of a, I have 4p. In place of b, I have 3q. What is a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now write a as 4p and b as 3q. What I get is 4p minus 3q whole square equals 4p whole square minus 2 times a is 4p, b is 3q plus b square is 3q whole square. Now 4 square is 16p square minus, as it is, 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, p into q is pq plus 3 square is 9q square. 4p minus 3q whole square is 16p square minus 24pq plus 9q square. 16p square minus 24pq plus 9q square is the solution. Moving to second question, 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7, which can be written as 2a minus 7 whole square. A into a is a square. In the same way, 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7 is 2a minus 7 whole square, which is of the form a minus b whole square. In the place of a, I have 2a. In place of b, I have 7. I can apply the identity 2. That is, what is identity 2? A minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a, I have 2 times a. In the place of b, I have 7. Now what I get is 2a minus 7 whole square equals 2a whole square minus 2 times a is what? A is 2a. What is b? B is 7 plus b square is 7 square. Now what I get is 2 square is 4. Then a square, 4a square minus 2 2s are 4. 4 times 7 is 28. A plus 7 square is 49. Now 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7 is 4a square minus 28a plus 49. This is the solution for this question. Third question, 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square, which is of the form a minus b whole square. In the place of a, I have 3a. In the place of b, I have 1 by 2. Now a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. Now what we get is, in place of a, replace 3a. In place of b, replace 1 by 2 whole square equals 3a whole square minus 2 times a is 3a. B is what? 1 by 2 plus b square is 1 by 2 whole square. Now 3a whole square, what we get is 9a square minus, now in the numerator we have 2 and in the denominator we have 2. 2 and 2 we cancel out. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. What is the remaining term? 3 times a into 1 is 3a plus 1 square 1, then 2 square is 4. This is the solution. 9a square minus 3 times a plus 1 divided by 4. This is the solution for the question 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. Students, now we try to solve few questions based on identity 3. That is 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5, which is of the form a plus b, a minus b. Only there is change in the sign, plus and minus. A plus b, a minus b. That is a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. In the place of a, I have 3x. In the place of b, I have 5. That is a plus b, a minus b. Now replace a by 3x and b by 5. That is 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5 equals 3x whole square minus 5 square, which is equal to 9x whole square minus 5 square is 25. As simple as identity 3. That is a plus b, a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. Replace a by 3x and b by 5. What we get is 3x, 9x whole square minus 25. Second question, a square plus b square into a square minus b square. In place of a, I have a square. In place of b, I have b square. Now what is identity? A plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. Now replace a by a square and b by b square. That is a square plus b square into a square minus b square, which is equal to, replace a by what? A square. Then we have square over here minus b square again whole square. Now 2 times 2 is 4. That is a power 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4. B power 4. This is the solution. A square plus b square into a square minus b square can be written as a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Third question. 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 5. Sorry. 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7, which is of the form a plus b into a minus b. In the place of a, I have 6x. In the place of b, I have 7. Now, what is the identity? A plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. Now replace a by 6x and b by 7. What we get is 6x plus 7 into 6x minus 7, which is equal to 6x the whole square minus 7 square. What we get is 6 square is 36, x square minus 7 square is 49. That is 7 times 7 is 49. 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7 can be written as 36x square minus 49. We will try to solve question based on the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus x times a plus b plus a into b. X plus a into x plus b equals x square plus x times a plus b plus ab. The first question, x plus 3, x plus 7. Now in the place of a, I have 3. In the place of b, I have 7. Now x plus a, x plus b can be written as x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Now replace a by 3 and b by 7. What I get is x square plus x times a is what? 3, b is 7 plus a into b is 3 into 7. Now what you get is x square. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 times x is 10x plus 3 times 7 is 21. Hopefully you have understood this question. Now moving to next question. Now the next question, 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. In the place of x, I have 2a square. In the place of a, I have 9. In the place of b, I have 5. Now replace x by what? 2a square, a by 9 and b by 5. What I get is 2a square the whole square plus x times, what is x? X is 2a square. What is x here? 2a square plus what is a? A is 9, b is 5 plus a into b is 9 into 5. Now what I get is 2 square is 4, a square whole square is a power 4 plus, now 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 times 2 is 28, a square plus 9 times 5 is 45. Now let me repeat again. It is of the form x plus a into x plus b, which can be written as x square plus x times a plus b plus a into b, that is 2 square is 4, a square whole power square is a to the power 4, that is 2 times 2 is 4 plus 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 times 2 is 28, a square as it is plus 9 times 5 is 45. This is the solution. Now moving to example 3. Moving to example 3, in place of x I have 2x, in the place of a I have 5, in place of b I have minus 3, in place of b I have minus 3. Therefore x equals 2x, a equals 5, then b equals minus 3. In the identity we have plus, here we have minus 3. Therefore, b as what? Minus 3. I can write as what? 2x the whole square plus 2x times, what is a plus b? A plus b is 5 plus into minus is minus 3 plus 5 times minus 3. Let me repeat again. In the place of x replace 2x, in the place of a replace 5, in the place of b replace minus 3 plus a is 5, b is minus 3. Now what I get is 2x whole square is 2 square is 4x square plus 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4x. Now plus into minus, minus 5 3s are 15. Be careful when there is negative sign. Both the values of a and b can be negative or either 1. When there is negative sign, be careful when you are solving this kind of problems. Now the next concept, using identities we will evaluate the following numbers. That is the first question, 103 whole square. Using identity we will evaluate 103 whole square. Now 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 whole square. 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Therefore, this is of the form a plus b whole square. I can write as 100 square plus 2 times ab, that is 100 into 3 plus b square, which is equal to, now 1 square is 1. Now double the number of zeros, that is 4 zeros, plus 2 times 100 is 200. 200 into 3 is 600 plus 3 square is 9. If we add all this, we get 10609, that is 10,609. This is how you evaluate by using identities. Now the next question, that is 99 whole square. I can write as 100 minus 1 whole square. 100 minus 1 whole square. In the place of a I have 100, in the place of b I have 1. That is, I can use a minus b whole square identity. That is what? A minus b whole square can be written as a square minus 2 times ab, that is 100 into 1 plus b square is 1 square. Now 1 square is 1, double the number of zeros, that is 4 zeros, minus 2 into 100 is 200 into 1 is 200 plus 1 square. Now 10,000, that is 10000 minus 200, what we get is 9,800. 9,800 plus 1 square is 1. What we get is 9,801. Therefore, 99 whole square is 9,801. Students, moving to next question. 10.5 into 9.5. Using which identity we can simplify? So I can write 10.5 as 10 plus 0.5. In the same way, 9.5 can be written as 10 minus 0.5. 10.5 can be written as 10 plus 0.5. The same way, 9.5 can be written as 10 minus 0.5. What we get is 9.5. In the place of A, I have 10. In the place of B, I have 0.5. Therefore, I can use the identity A plus B. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. That is 10 square is 100. What is 0.5 whole square? 0.5 whole square is 0.25. Now 100 minus 0.25, what we get is 99.75. this is how you will calculate or evaluate using identities, which makes the calculation easier. Now, using identity, try to evaluate 71 square, 999 square, 103 square, 101 into 99, comma, 98 whole square. These are the questions for your practice. Do practice. Now, the next question, evaluate 103 into 104. Now, I can write this as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 4. This is of the form x plus a, x plus b. Therefore, I can write as x square plus x times a plus b plus a into b. X plus a into x plus b can be expressed as x square plus x times a plus b plus a into b. In place of x, I have 100, that is 100 square plus, that is 100 into a plus b is 3 plus 4. In the place of a, I have 3. In the place of b, I have 4 plus 3 times 4. Now, 100 square is, what we get is 10,000 plus 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 times 100 is 700 plus 3 times 4 is 12. Now, what I get is 10,712. Now, moving to next question, 5.1. 5.1 into 5.2, it can be written as 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. It is of the form x plus a, x plus b, which can be written as x square plus x times a plus b plus a into b. In place of x, I have 5. In place of a, I have 0.1. In the place of b, I have 0.2. That is, what is x? X is 5 square plus 5 times 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.1 into 0.2. 5 square is 25. Now, 0.1 plus 0.2 is 0.3. Now, 0.3 into 5 is, what we get is 1.5. Now, 0.1 into 0.2, what we get? 0.02. Now, add 25 plus 1.5, what we get is 26.5. For that, add 0.02. What I get is 26.52. Therefore, 5.1 into 5.2 is 26.52. Now, students, try a few more questions on yourself. 102 into 104. Second question 9.7 into 9.8. Third question 82 into 83. Try these questions by yourself and try to find out the solution by using the identity. Students, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you have understood the concept of identities. There are many questions are there in the exercise. Based on the understanding of this video, try to find out the solution for remaining question. If you have any doubt, do ask me. Thank you for watching the video again. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel.